Hello, YouTube. Welcome back to Lifetime AC. If you guys are not yet subscribed, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button on the bottom, that notification bell, because we got a lot of stuff to talk about. So, number one, we we got us. We got to talk about the winter storm last night, and about the rain last night, and about the snow. And I gotta tell you guys something. I took a picture over there at the Excel Center, and that place was huge of snow. So, up there in Chicago, I was looking at the airplanes. They had to divert this way to get even to the airport. So last night they had to close some of the runways because they were hard to be open. Like in Nashville, there were airport delays. So right now, I was looking on Flight Tracker, and you guys are not going to believe this. There were a lot of flights diverting from Memphis St. Paul to Minneapolis St. Paul to flights going to Memphis. So that means you guys gotta understand that this storm that we got is a big, 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 bad storm. And there are like a lot of snow up there in Boston. There's like a lot of snow up there in Portland. And there's a lot of snow all around the United States right now. Plus, look out there right now. There's a lot of snow out there. So that storm actually put a downhaul on what it looks like right now. Plus, was also last night I was listening to the aircrafts where they say American 2324 go, say the altitude of 3,000 feet and climbing. So then after that, once I heard that, I was like, should I check Southwest and see if they are still running or not? I was like, okay. Okay, and then after that we had us several different options for lounging if we were going over there to to a snow town like Gatlinburg, Tennessee, okay? Of course we got the timeshares, and of course we got a lot of different resorts, but the key, guys, is that you guys got to make a reservation on there for your hotels. You guys gotta have to make a reservation for the dinner shows. You guys have to make a reservation for going to the beach, down there in Myrtle Beach. Up there and down there in Louisville, Churchill Downs, they did not have it this year, or several people did not go. Like, like my family, we did not go because of COVID. Well, COVID has been like a really, really big problem lately, I have to say. For plus, also let you guys know that 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 if you guys are looking for like a great escape, I'm telling you guys, right now the Northeast, they have a lot of snow up there. I saw off the Weather Channel and off CNN because they are currently doing coverage like crazy. So like then after that, I was listening to the Bloomington radio this morning, and then after that, I heard on their P25 radios that get this, their radios are so busy, the state police radios, they are non-stop right now. Luckily, I have some recordings on my phone and on my and on my thing that we can do that, because there is like a whole lot of stuff that COVID is currently not. You guys gotta get tested when you guys go out of the states. You guys gotta go look around. You guys gotta go be careful. Like when you guys get on a cruise, I'm not saying anything bad about it. Like when you guys get on a cruise, you guys got a lot of different things that happen. So it's like number one, you guys gotta judge about the cruise, okay? It's like number two, you got several different ways for like different people. Well, different people might not like the snow, and that's the reason why many of our theme parks have like snow patrol. And that's the reason why up there in Paoli, at Paoli Peaks, they are currently they currently have a little bit of snow right now. And luckily, you guys can go look at it. And maybe go sled if you guys had shoes. So like then after that, you guys had like two different options for like radio frequencies you guys can listen to. Number one, you guys can listen to ski instructors. Number two, you guys can listen to like the trail maintenance, which I would recommend you guys listen to, because they got a tone on there. Now the Blue Sky Casino, that's the French Lake Resorts trunk system, and that's what I would recommend you guys listen to, because that one gets like so busy and so chaotic, you guys wouldn't even believe. So like right now, the French Lick Resort radio system, they have like three radio frequencies that you guys can listen to. But you guys gotta be careful of letting you guys are listening to. Cause sometimes security comes on there and they're like, I'm sorry, sir, but we gotta keep this channel secure. Well, radio scanner enthusiasts like myself are not even wanting to listen to it. We just want to look at your radios. And like maybe like listen to like some radio coverage. Well, then after that, you guys have like several different options for radio frequencies like in those areas. Like number one, you guys got radio frequencies in the Bloomington region, which holy cow. The Bloomington region has like a lot of different radio frequencies. Like sadly, their radio frequencies don't have dispatch 1 and dispatch 2 like up over there in Barfoley County. Which I think we need to have for like our area, for like the Bloomington area. Because I think that would be a good area for it to listen to. Like, plus here in the Bedford area, their Bedford police is like not trying to be encrypted of stuff, but we need to listen to stuff like that. Just in case if they have like a different outbreak, if you guys like understand. Alright guys, that's it for today's video. If you guys liked it, make sure you guys give it a big thumbs up. And make sure you guys smash that like, subscribe, and that notification bell. And I'll see you guys in my next video.